Hi folks, welcome back to another video. Right, it's been a little while since I've done a video, as always. Let's have a chat about what we got outside. This one I picked up last Friday. We've actually purchased that. We weren't sure what we were going to do with it, but I think we're actually going to carry out the necessary repairs and put that one up for sale. I think it's actually genuinely quite a tidy car, and it's relatively low mileage. Obviously it needs seals and arches, chassis rails, all the usual, but we'll do all that, and that one will come up for sale maybe. This one here, we've had this on a ramp. It's another bad one. Customers, I've sent an invoice over, estimate over to the customer with what we found. I'm just waiting for them to get back to me really, but it's full seals. The reason we've ground all that back is, I don't know if you can see there's like a bubble, and there's quite a lot of bubbles. There's another one there, another one there. That's usually a sign of like previously skim filled, and either rust trying to push through, or just it's not adhered very well and it's bubbling off. So as you can see, that all this white here, that's filler. So it's probably had, and it's quite deep there, look, it's probably had a knock at some point. It's all been skim filled. So that whole rear quarter needs to go back to bare metal as part of the repair. So sort of unknown about whether that one will be continuing or not. That one, don't know. Our Jasper Conrad. And this one was the one you've seen quite a lot of Roy doing work on. That had the rear quarter, had the previous accident damage in the back. He's now done a seal, full seal on this side. And this is just waiting to go to paint. We're waiting for one to come back from paint, and then this one will go over there. That one there came in for a service, MOT, failed the MOT. Waiting for a bit of welding for the MOT, which actually we're not going to do. Customer's selling the car, so just wants it done as cheaply as possible. That one here, Grant's done an underseal on that, I believe. Yep. That's all been undersealed in there, so that's just waiting final clean and collection. This one here, you've seen quite a lot of this one. This is that first LE. That is, there's been a few things customers been deciding on in terms of like the wheels, how it's got the original wheels, which are like the multi-spoke wheels, which are green inside the spokes. Anyway, he's just popped in and given us a go ahead for the last few things on there. There'll be a roof, refurbishing the wheels, and a few other bits and bobs, which is good. That one there we've purchased, so that's having a few bits of work, and that'll be up for sale. I think it's a one owner car, and it's got a few little dings and that we'll deal with, but it's not too bad. We probably will be doing rear arches because of this problem here, but crucially it's quite good sort of down here. I think the problem with it is, look, it's absolutely caked with mud up in here, and I think that's what's caused this problem. So it's not the usual problem we get with Mark IIIs where they're rotten down here. It's good down there. We will check that on the ramp, but we do believe it is good down there. So yeah, so that's another one coming up for sale. This one here, Nostradamus as we're calling it, that has now been given a go ahead, so great, we're going to go ahead and repair that one. That's good news. Still waiting to get started on this one. We're struggling to find time to get started. This is the one, I don't know if I've shown you guys a fuel tank in this one. Can I get in it? No, it's locked. I'll have to do it when it's on the ramp. Grant is due to get started on that this week, but he's running a little bit behind. So hopefully I can show you inside that fuel tank, because it's amazing. I don't know if any of you have ever seen this bonnet. I did this bonnet, or me and my friend Mark did this bonnet years ago, back for JAE, Japanese Auto Extravaganza. Those old school people will remember. So we stripped the paint off, and that is, well, as the sticker says, polished aluminium. We had to put that sticker on there because everyone thought it was all a wrap, but it's not. That is actually the bonnet polish, and that was done, Christ, I'm going to say 2010. It hasn't been polished since, so that's done well. That was in our bunker for years, but Roy's got that on his car. He said he wanted it on there, so he's got it. So let's that's everything outside. Let's head into the workshop. See what's going on. Ashley's actually working in the workshop today. He's not sitting at his desk pretending to work. No, let's go and see Grant first.
Hello everybody.
You alright?
Oh yes.
You're not pouring that down the sink, are you?
Oh no. Well, no,
that would be bad news. We'd be in a lot of trouble for that.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Actually, haven't said that.
No, we don't do that. We have storage outside for that. I just well better clarify that as he's walking to the sink with some antifreeze. Right, Mr. Roy? Have you just broken your socket?
I need to go
your ratchet.
I mean, it's just come loose.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's tighten the screws up. So I'll take it apart and grease it up. How you doing, everybody?
They can't answer.
Me, can they? Oh, how are you doing? You alright?
Yeah, we did.
Good. Stuff.
An easy job for a change.
Yeah.
Getting glare off that light.
I've just done chassis rails.
Cool.
They were put in for an MOT. It was booked in for chassis rails anyway.
Yeah.
And MOT.
Yeah.
Booked in for an MOT.
Yep.
Failed on chassis rails, which we knew.
Yep. Because that's what it's booked in for.
Yep.
Yep.
And just about to free up the brakes because
okay. That was a bit stuck. Yeah.
Yeah. Not too bad.
All right. That's kind of boring. See you later.
Yep.
Careful how you say that. Jake, you alright?
Out.
Hello. He's just finished off a ceiling arch repair. So, didn't need to go all the way around, did we, on this one? It was really good round there.
Just got to treat that edge.
Yeah. But we did find some additional problems inside, so the cost is sort of going to outweigh a little bit anyway. So, but yeah, that was in a sill end plate.
Sill end plate, yeah.
And quite a lot of work on that inner upright, wasn't it?
Yeah, a lot of work on the inner.
And there was a lot of blistering high up in here, so we had to go up into the shut more than normal.
My weld blind actually ended up being just up there.
Alright, so that's another one to go off to paint then. They've got about 56 cars over there at the moment. Cheers, Jake. Chris has vanished. Mr. Chris. Oh, let's go to Jake now. Go to Jake? Done Jake. Let's go to Ashley. What are you doing, Ash? Ash is doing a job you hoped you'd never have to do again, aren't you?
Yeah, some promotion.
It doesn't look bad though.
No, this one is actually about as good as the
I mean,
it's as clean as a Mark
you
3.
never see them looking like
Well,
that.
that's because it's a replacement.
Oh, okay.
Hence the Mazda.
What, all of them?
No, that one is. The rest of them don't seem to be, but
Okay.
this is about as clean as a Mark 3 gets.
Oh. Sorry, Ash has had to run off to a delivery person. Right, let's see what Grant's been doing. This is nice. I do like them. Needs a polish though, doesn't it? It's nice, but needs a polish.
Nice, but needs a polish. Yeah, needs a polish. Needs
Yeah.
a wash and polish.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Do like them in white. Do you like them in white?
Do I like them in white? I like them in any colour.
Oh, okay.
Except
It's a late one.
Huh?
It's a late one.
Yeah, late one, yeah. Yeah. Late white one.
Full service, yeah?
Yeah, yeah. Just got to put some butter in it and that's it.
And out.
And out. And out.
Get out.
Give it a little wash.
Yeah. Right. I don't know where Chris is at the moment. It's probably in the toilet. So this one is a little bit of welding repair. Really common on the Mark III to be going there and up under here. So he's just done that as sort of a, and then it's having an underseal. And I'm just trying to read a job sheet here and a full service. So yeah, he's on that. So that's it, folks. That's all, folks. Right, okay, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. You in there?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
What are you doing?
I had to go. So, I've been working on the Mark III.
Right.
It's in for a full underseal, some welding to the near side, rear sort of jacking point area, and a full underseal. So I've got the welding done, I'm just now going to start stripping it for the underseal, clean it up, get it undersealed, and get the service done on Friday.
Huh. That's a bit crap, isn't it?
Well, it's a lot crappier in here.
Bye.
See